Not every parent deserves a child, but every child deserves a parent.
1,000%.
1,000%.
Yeah.
Kasi adult ka, tandaan. Okay, maybe, so first, our mom wasn't an adult. Fine.
Yeah. She had us at 16. Malande.
Okay. She was also, troubled like you.
Welcome to Raw and Real, the podcast where truth wears no filter. Hosted by identical twins Dana and Stacy. The same fearless energy that defined plump.ph is back, now with deeper accountability. At the peak of the body positivity wave, they hit a hard truth. Being fat isn't brave, being fat isn't healthy, and body positive isn't the whole story. Preaching self-acceptance while eating in denial, saying I'm fine except me, wasn't honest, and it wasn't helping. At the height of wokeism, between 2016 to 2020, as the faces of the body positivity movement, they completed over 100 podcast episodes on Spotify. Now they're back, but this time on PGMN, not just with their brand, but with clarity. Born from a lifetime of twinhood, Raw and Real invites you into the unfiltered world of two women who've lived, fought, and flourished together through body shaming, cultural expectations, healing, and radical honesty. Expect real talk about what we usually hide: shame and joy, jealousy and softness, strength and sex, the systems we live in, and the stories our bodies carry. Each episode strips away performance, leaving something deeper: connection. No scripts, no pretenses, just two women speaking their truth, sometimes with serious gravity, often with blazing hilarity, and holding space for yours. This is Raw and Real. Tune in, unpack, unlearn, come as you are.
Dude, so
Sis.
another family drama is trending.
Don't you just love it when they take it online? For the world to discuss and marvel at.
I know. So, ang recent family drama is
Ay.
about the Beckhams.
Okay, royalty to. Global star, superstar ang pamilyang
Athlete
to.
and pop star, diba?
Correz.
Anyway, so nalaman ko tong issue na to from Candace Owens.
Okay, your
And
favorite.
she was so pissed about this. So I was like, what's going on? So chinek ko yung stories. And ang daming pinost na stories ni Brooklyn Beckham, which is the son of Vicky. Close kami ni
Vicky and D.
Vicky. and D.
Okay.
Oo, so dami niyang in-expose. I don't know what prompted this, but he
Okay.
just went on a rant about his family on his
socials.
Instagram.
Okay.
And so meron siyang pinost na parang 5 or 6 part story set. Okay,
Wow.
about the whole drama. And we are here to talk about it.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So I think the whole drama started nung naging sila nung wife niya now, si Nicole.
Nicola.
Nicola, I'm sorry.
You gotta get the names right.
I'm sorry.
Nicola Peltz.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who is also an
actress.
actress.
She's coming from a very wealthy family too.
Oh, okay.
Heiress siya.
She
Actress. I don't think so.
I think she is. I think she's
Ew.
American.
Okay.
Anyway, so let's talk about the stories.
Na
let's-
pinost niya.
Oo, na pinost niya. And syempre makiepal tayo, kumuda
Okay,
tayo
sausawan na
about
yan.
it. Sausawan natin to. Okay, so I'll read
Sausawan
the
na.
first 2 stories muna. Let's categorize para organized ang pagsawsaw natin sa issue.
Okay.
Okay. So itong first story ni Brooklyn. I have been silent for years and made every effort to keep these matters private. Unfortunately, my parents and their team have continued to go to the press, leaving me with no choice but to speak for myself and tell the truth about only some of the lies that have been printed. I do not want to reconcile with my family. Wow!
Oh.
Coming in hot. I'm not being controlled. I'm standing up for myself for the first time in my life. For my entire life, my parents have controlled narratives in the press about our family. The performative social media posts, family events, and inauthentic relationships have been a fixture of the life I was born into.
Wow.
Recently, I have seen with my own eyes the lengths that they'll go through to place countless lies in the media, mostly at the expense of innocent people, to preserve their own facade. But I believe the truth always comes out.
Whoa.
My parents have been trying endlessly to ruin my relationship since before my wedding, and it hasn't stopped. My mom canceled making Nicola's dress in the 11th hour despite how excited she was to wear her design, forcing her to urgently find a new dress. Weeks before our big day, my parents repeatedly pressured and attempted to bribe me into signing away the rights to my name, which would have affected me, my wife, and our future children. They were adamant on me signing before my wedding date because then the terms of the deal would be initiated. My holdout affected the payday, and they have never treated me the same since. During the wedding planning, my mom went so far as to call me evil because Nicola and I chose to include my nanny Sandra and Nicola's nanny at our table because they both didn't have their husbands. Both of our parents had their own tables equally adjacent to ours.
But the wedding happened in 2022, and I think that's a very important
Ah,
fact.
okay. Akala ko he got married
No, it
recently.
happened 2022, kaya you wonder what prompted him to say this because baka may press release na naman siguro yung parents. I don't know. We can
Yeah,
only
yeah.
speculate at this point.
Yeah.
But, okay, high-profile parents.
Right.
And have you seen their documentary?
No.
Okay, I've watched it. Super cute naman. But you can also tell na out of touch talaga si Victoria. You know,
Because she was
saying-
born rich,
She
right?
was born very rich,
Yeah.
came from a wealthy family, but she poses as this, we're from the, middle class in the UK, blah, blah, blah. Ganun niya pinakid sarili niya kasi ganun yung iba sa Spice Girls.
Right.
Kaya nga siya naging posh Spice eh. It's not just because she's naturally posh, but it's because she's coming from a really rich family compared to the rest of the Spice Girls.
Pero, okay, if she is branded as posh Spice, kailan yang part ng PR na she's middle class?
Yung story nila, paano kayo nabuo?
Ah,
Yun,
okay.
yung band story nila.
Right.
Yeah, and then, so parang that was one. And David Beckham kept calling it out, diba? Parang, okay, she's like, we came from a middle-class family. My dad took me to school, ganyan. In what car? Parang, but what car did your dad drive you in? Parang ganyan.
Oo.
So that's one. And then, the next is, okay, I get why he would say na it's all a facade because marami ng times na they were separated ni Victoria because of David's cheating.
Oh, what? How do you know
Oo.
this?
In-expose nga nila dun
It's in
sa
the documentary. Oh,
documentary.
wow.
Na on-off. Talagang,
Talaga sila.
Oo.
Okay.
But no one knew that, diba?
Right,
That was
right.
concealed from the
Yeah.
public.
Yeah.
Because of course,
They have a brand.
They have a
together.
brand, together.
Oo,
And
alam mo, ngayon ko na-realize, iba din talaga yung kakanood ko to ng K-drama at saka kakanood ko to ng, Remarriage and Desires. Alam
Okay,
mo ba yung
okay.
K-drama na yon? Anyway, ang lagi nilang sinasabi is iba talaga ang image ng pamilyadong celebrity.
iba na,
talaga
iba
versus
na.
like,
It's
you know,
stricter.
yes.
It's much more,
No, the image na it builds for the public, parang mas may public trust.
points.
Oo,
brand points tumataas.
parang ganun. Oo, iba talaga.
Gets.
When you're married, you have a family.
Oo.
So I guess there's too many things on the line for them.
Oo.
Pero for now, we really don't know the full story because side lang to ni Brooklyn.
And the family's choosing to really shut up about it.
Quiet na lang sila.
Quiet lang sila the whole
Which
time.
is like, I feel like if I were a parent and nagaganyan yung anak ko, I would also choose to just shut up. Because you're the adult.
Yun
Di
nga.
ba dapat mas naiintindihan mo what's going on?
The
Wag
pain
ka
of your
nang-
kid,
and don't add to the bad PR.
to the drama.
Kasi hahaba eh. If you respond, may counter, ulit.
Oo.
And then it's gonna be this back and forth. Like, remember yung nangyari kay Carlos
Carlos
Yulo.
Yulo, yeah.
It became this
Spectacle
na
Oo.
airing their dirty
Everyone.
laundry and
Yeah.
talagang no one's backing down. I don't know. I think, ako lang naman to, and this is my opinion, I think the parents should know better because you're the parent here.
Yeah.
Diba?
But
Ikaw yung wag ka nang pumatol.
if ganyan nga yung galawan ng parents and they're narcissistic,
I mean, there's a level of narcissism for sure.
for sure.
These people, Victoria and David, they're surrounded by yes,
Yes
people.
people.
They have their entire team. Diba? And they can manipulate the truth by just bribing the press.
That's
like
true.
paying them off, blackout, or whatever. Or
Oo.
even what he said, not twisting the narrative. So, if what he's saying is true, I really feel for Brooklyn. Like, damn, dude. Like, you have to live a double life since young. Alam mo yon, parang nasa-shape ka na to, pag tayong family, alam mo yung dynamic, pero in public, in front
It
of all the
shifts.
lights, biglang may acting na meron silang
Projection.
unspoken contract in the
Oo.
family, which is, that must be super tough, right?
yeah.
Like growing up in that environment and then knowing about your dad's cheating but pretending he's the best dad. You know, all
I
these
guess that
things.
really messes you up.
Yeah, so naintindihan ko kung totoo man to, okay? Kung totoo
kung
man to.
totoo
Because there's
man.
another side of speculations also, but we'll get to that
Okay.
in a minute.
Okay.
Okay?
Pero isa pang issue to raise is etong si Brooklyn coming out with this story out of nowhere na everyone's like, what
okay,
the?
yeah.
Diba? And pangalawa, people are also questioning it because Victoria and Nicola are so public with their mother-daughter affection on Instagram.
may
Super
ganon sila.
public nilang dalawa. Besties, selfies.
Whose Instagram?
Both of them.
Talaga?
Commenting on each other's posts.
Ooh,
So parang people are like, where are you getting this, Brooklyn? Like, seriously, what's up?
Oo nga.
Diba? Kasi kung estranged na to begin with, kunwari, let's say, Chloe and Carlos. Yun talaga, to begin with, palang
Chloe
ayaw
and
na...
Carlos' mom?
Oo, ayaw talaga nung mom, diba? To begin with, ayaw niya yung Chloe... the
For
girl.
for her son.
Oh, parang kinukuha daw from them.
Right.
And then simula nung naging sila, lumalayo na sa pamilya, all of
yeah.
these things,
Yeah.
right? Pero ito, na meron kang ganong public screenshots of people saying, but
Right.
you've
Something
been okay,
shady.
something shady. Kaya di ba yung unang linya ni Brooklyn is, I'm not controlled. Why would you say that?
Oo.
Ewan ko I mean, I'm
Sige,
just looking
okay.
at both
And then,
sides of the
since dito
coin.
niya minention yon na parang, di ba, they were forcing him to sign his rights, na syempre, nanggaling din sa magulang niya. Kanina pa ba manggagaling yun, di ba?
Exactly.
There's also this angle na parang, excuse me, kung lahat ng meron ka galing sa pamilya mo, they have every right to control you, or not really control, but have a say because ilang taon ka na, dude.
Doon
Like,
ka
if you really
nandun ka
don't
sa poder ng tatay mo.
So which I totally understand that, right? Like my house, my rules kung magulang ka, 'di ba? Like you're living under
If you
my
wanna
roof.
live your life,
be independent. 'Di ba?
no more
Goodbye credit
No more
card.
credit cards, Brooklyn.
Goodbye COD ng Shopee sa bahay ng parents
Oh my
mo.
God,
Ganon.
Brooklyn would never. Okay. Pero okay, I have mixed emotions about this. Like, okay, as Christians, we know
Yeah.
na leave and cleave talaga.
Yes.
When a man gets a
Oh, wait.
wife,
That's true.
you leave and cleave. Hindi mo na, yun na yung pamilya mo. Your new family is now your wife. Although, we have to still honor our parents. So, it's that tension na, okay, Brooklyn, good for you standing up for your wife. I mean, if I look at it from that perspective, I can say na, wow,
What
Brooklyn,
a man.
what a man.
Right?
Diba?
Like really
Brooklyn.
protecting. Kasi yun na talaga eh. Like once you get married, your allegiance is now to your wife.
Yes.
Ganon talaga ang
Ganun talaga
structure
ang
according
dapat.
to the Lord. Ideally, yes.
But it doesn't mean that you are
To
encouraged to
dishonor.
dishonor your parents.
Oo.
This is hard.
This is really hard.
There's like complex.
Wow. Complex.
Is it not?
It is. It is.
Diba?
It's a
Parang-
very difficult, sticky situation na parang what, hindi mo, alam mo yun, ang daming factors. And we're only working with what we know here. Which is, hindi na natin alam the full picture.
Okay. Moving on. Ano pa ba yung mga sinabi niya dyan?
Ang nangyari kasi dito is, gusto niyang, doon sila kaya, diba, parang it's never been the same. Ever since the parents wanted him to give up his inheritance before the wedding. To him, ang point niya is, that's totally gonna affect my family and my future children.
Siyempre. Kasi yun, doon niya ibubuhos yung resources
yun
niya
yung parang bank niya
bangko
for
niya
the
yun
new family.
Oo.
Pero, since sila Victoria, siguro, ayaw nga sa kanya, parang bakit ba't
namin
naman
susuportahan
bubuhayan yung
ba't ka naman bubuhayin yung babaeng yan kung she's causing a wedge between us?
Which is valid too,
Valid
right?
din,
It's very
valid
valid. So, yeah, this is very tricky. Okay, moving on to the other story. The night before our wedding,
Ayan na.
members of my family told me that Nicola was not blood and not family. Since the moment I started standing up for myself with my family, I've received endless attacks from my parents, both privately and publicly, that were sent to the press on their orders. Even my brothers were sent to attack me on social media before they ultimately blocked me out of nowhere this last summer. My mom hijacked my last dance with my wife, which had been planned weeks in advance to a romantic love song. In front of our 500 wedding guests, Mark Anthony called me to the stage wherein the schedule was planned to be my romantic dance with my wife. But instead, my mom was waiting to dance with me. She danced very inappropriately on me in front of everyone. I've never felt more uncomfortable or humiliated in my entire life. We wanted to renew our vows so we could create new memories of our wedding day that brings us joy and happiness, not anxiety and embarrassment.
Oh my gosh.
I
yan
wonder
pala.
kung ano yung inappropriate
That's why
dancing.
everyone on TikTok is like finding. We're finding that video of Victoria dancing on
Like, there's
Brooklyn.
so many ways to dance inappropriately. Alam mo
I
yun?
know,
Parang
I know.
imagine ko is it inappropriate na, like, I don't know, is it like sexy, ganyan? Parang, ano ba, seductive ba? Na medyo parang super cringe? Or what is it? Like, what is inappropriate? I wonder how, and that's Victoria Beckham. Alam mo yun? Parang,
the most,
I
parang
know.
she's just,
But again, it could be a facade, and she's really this like, I don't know.
Fun.
Or maybe
Wild.
she was drunk also.
Oo.
I really don't know, man.
This is more common than we think. Like,
Moms
narcissistic
oh,
moms
yeah, dude.
taking over weddings.
Oh my gosh.
Taking over, like, making it about them.
Yeah.
Making it about...
Not just weddings, like may mga nakita pa akong reels or mga TikToks ng parents na yung gender reveal ginawa about them. Parang, or they would hijack the event. Na kunwari, gender reveal ng anak nila. Biglang, I'm getting engaged. Yung gano'n, yung parang, now is not the time to share your news.
Ito yung parents na nakabuo.
No. Parang yung mommy niya. So, biglang magsha-share din ng big news sa gender reveal ng anak nila.
Oh my God.
Yung lola comes in and announces na she got proposed to by her boyfriend and she's now engaged.
Hijack nga.
Can you imagine like your biggest milestone of a celebration?
But okay, let's talk about narcissism and parenting. Narcissistic parents have this delusional, twisted sense of self-worth and self-image
Oo.
that they tend to see their children as extensions of themselves.
Yeah, not a
items
whole
to-
human being.
a trophy
To show off.
Right.
Right.
Someone who can vicariously achieve all their dreams, maybe even, diba? Na
Right,
parang,
right.
gusto ko maging beauty queen, anak ko magiging beauty queen. Kung
Yeah.
ako hindi naging beauty queen,
Right.
ikaw ang magtutuloy ng corona.
That's
Without
true.
asking, wait,
Yeah.
what are your interests? What do you like doing? Are you okay being in the
Yeah.
public eye? You know, this is such a common thing.
At the core of it, I guess, to summarize everything you said, they really don't see their children as their own human beings.
Yes.
Diba?
Yun.
Eh. That's why they wanna control, they wanna manipulate.
But, to be fair, to a certain extent, you have to see your kids as your ownership eh. To a
Oh,
certain
yeah.
extent.
Yeah,
Because
for
you're
sure.
accountable for them, you're
Right.
responsible for them, you're
Right.
gonna take care
and you're
of them,
the one
feed them.
shaping them as humans,
Oh,
right?
so in a way, yes, you
Okay.
kinda own that kid.
Right.
But may limits.
Oo.
Diba? You don't
May
own their
boundaries.
dreams, you don't own their career, you don't own
Right.
the path that they will choose.
Right.
May limits.
Agreed.
So, going back to our local version of Brooklyn. Yes, Carlos Yulo, ikaw ang local version ng Brooklyn.
Ay,
Oh,
athlete.
pwede, athlete.
Athlete din.
Oh. 'Di ba? Si Carlos Yulo naman, what happened was, okay, I don't know the gist of what happened, but ang alam ko lang is he wanted to be set free from the management of the mom,
Okay.
'di ba? And then nung nag-abroad siya,
Okay.
doon na sila talagang nag-all out ni Chloe girl, ng sexy ni Chloe. Si Chloe Di ba yung mga TikToks nila? Ang local version ng Brooklyn Beckham.
Siya si Nicola.
Yeah, siya ang Nicola to Brooklyn. Siya naman si Chloe to Kaloy. Okay,
Right,
to Carlos
fine,
Yulo.
fine.
Then when this was going on, I feel, after watching kasi sinubaybayan ko rin yung story nila, kaya I was so into it.
Yeah. Oo. Grabe yon. Like, it was just all over everyone's news feed.
Oo, kasi nga, she loved the attention too, diba? So every time
And she
people
was
would
so
bash
feisty.
her,
Like, talagang di rin siya magba-back down eh.
Tsaka talagang nire-reply niya yung mommy. Nire-replyan niya sa Facebook, diba?
Yeah. I know, I saw some.
Ang sa akin lang is, I wish Carlos had that control, not in, naman, I mean, just because he's a man, he's gonna control his
Hindi,
girl.
pero let him
Pero
stand
yung-
up also for
Na parang wag mo nang-
himself. Oo, and his mom
Diba?
in a way
Pamilya-
na
nanay mo-
decente.
Oo.
Oo,
And
parang,
people don't like to hear that, nanay
Oo.
mo pa rin yan. Hindi eh.
Oo, totoo yun. Kahit
Totoo yun,
balik-balik pa rin mo
nanay mo
yung
pa rin yan.
mundo.
Yes, you don't have to honor the person kung hindi talaga siya honorable.
Right,
But at
right.
least honor the role.
Oh, yeah.
Binuhay ka pa din.
Oo.
Diba? Inalagaan
Pinalaki
ka pa
ka
din.
niyan.
Pinalaki ka pa
Oo.
rin. Sinuportahan ka pa rin sa pangarap mo. Kahit hindi yun yung gusto mong klase ng suporta, sinuportahan ka pa din. So,
It's in the way she knew how.
oh, in the best way she knew
Oo.
how. But I think since, ito kasi yung pinanood ko nung pinanood ko yung interview ni Chloe and Carlos sa Tony Talks, the way I see it is, this girl is abandoned by her family because she's a
Right.
wild child. You
Oo
know?
nga eh.
Flew to Australia.
She was emancipated or something. Yeah.
Oo. Looking for love and all. I mean, sige, troubled
Right.
child ka.
Oo.
Carlos Yulo was supported by the parents, but of course, they're gonna take a piece of the pie, diba? I
Right,
mean,
right. But is it just a piece?
yun nga, okay. But ang nangyari, the way I see it is, since ito yung narrative ko,
Oo.
ako si Chloe,
Yes, you're projecting it.
ikaw din, Kaloy.
Oo.
Ano ka ng magulang mo? I mean,
Right.
that's it.
Because that's the lens. Alam mo yun,
Yeah.
yun na yung na-program sa kanya. So now she's projecting that.
Yeah, and I think Carlos Yulo being a total introvert, a total shy boy who was showered with attention and affection by
Right.
this hot TikToker from
Oo,
Australia.
Oo.
I mean, pussy power.
Pussy power.
Pussy power. So, yes, I don't agree with how the mother addressed the whole issue on Facebook.
Yeah, may kasalanan silang lahat, honestly.
Oh, yun nga eh. You can't just spin it on one.
The main fact that it's online is everyone's fault.
Oh.
Kahit isa lang sa inyo, sana decided to shut up. Like, Holy Spirit, activate. Don't just rat on the keyboard, right?
It's so sad because it became also, it became so public too, diba?
Yeah.
Na they were being showered. Kasi 2-time ba naman na gold
Oo
medalist?
naman. Like,
Nagpaulan
Kaloy
yung
is
mga
a gem
brands
to this
country,
oo.
diba? So,
But it's a really sad,
you know what? Who else?
Who else?
Oh my gosh. Ito talaga nakakahiya. And I feel
Ay.
sorry for her. Nanay ni Charis Pempenko.
Oh my gosh!
Grabe yun! Grabe yun!
Yung Facebook page nung nanay, wala siyang salawal. I don't even know how I landed on her page. Oh, maybe because I heard about Charissa's story.
Yeah.
And Charissa's story is
Oh,
super...
heartbreaking.
It came across my feed because Charisse was talking about his book, or
Oh,
Jake was
Jake
talking...
na siya, Jake.
Anyway, the book.
Oh,
okay?
of Jake Cyrus.
Right. And so, I was so interested, like, ano na bang nangyari sa nanay nito? Dude, the mom is just super pa-sexy on her page. To the point na walang salawal, sis, Not kidding. Like, she wears this long sando and then pushes it down to cover her kiffy.
Pero grabe nga yun eh. Talagang that mom drained Jake dry.
Kawawa.
Biruin mo when she was still Charisse touring the US for
Right.
her LA Hollywood
Right,
stint,
right.
wala siyang, as in, tuwing uuwi siya, asaan? Asan yung pera? Asaan?
The mom will just take it.
Bibili ng kotse, magpapaparty, manlalalaki.
Salbahe.
Diba?
Grabe. Like, yeah, I totally get.
That's a narcissistic mother right there. And then, to throw it back na, ako naman nagpalaki sa'yo eh.
No.
As if she
chose
asked to be
born.
birthed. Oh, exactly. Diba? When mothers say that, you know you're not fit to be a parent when you start saying that stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
Meron nga akong nabasa and it stuck with me. Not every parent deserves a child, but every child deserves a parent.
1,000%.
1,000%.
Yeah.
Kasi adult ka, tandaan. Okay, maybe, so first, our mom wasn't an adult. Fine.
Yeah. She had us at 16. Malande.
Okay. She was also, troubled like you.
Tayo mo fine.
Okay, so, ang inisip ko is, now that we have these kids being vocal about it, vocal about their experiences, vocal about how it affects them and how it torments them internally, bakit there's not much awareness? Meron ba? Do you think in the Philippine setting?
About
we have that?
narcissistic mothers?
Oo.
Nah.
Na, diba? Kasi we chalk it up to the tiger parent, tiger mom.
Or yung extreme side naman na nanay mo pa rin yan, you can't say anything bad about her. Parang,
Bawal
may ganun
questionin.
din eh. Oo, which is like, no, and this is what we've talked about way back na, no, it's okay to acknowledge it because that's how you heal from it. Diba? Parang, yes, you can acknowledge both the good and the bad. Just because you're talking about the bad stuff in order to heal, doesn't mean na hindi mo siya ino-honor. You're just acknowledging the truth, dude. Because all of us, we all have our good and our ugly sides, right? And so it goes the same for our parents. Diba? So parang extreme din to me yung mga tao na ganyan magsalita na,
I will
nanay
never.
mo pa rin yan.
I
Di mo
could
pwedeng
never.
sabihin. Parang, but it's the truth. What if it's fact na sinaktan niya ako, binubugbog niya ako nung bata ako, and she would throw nasty words at me? It's just the truth. Diba? Why can't we talk about it?
Okay lang.
Okay. And then, so balik tayo kay Brooklyn mamaya. Pero ang
Pizza.
sad nito na pati yung mga kapatid, minamanipulate. Grabe yung ganong level.
Because-
Yung pati
okay,
kapatid,
I don't-
attack dogs.
I don't think hirap no? Ang hirap. But it could also be that the kids, the brothers, saw how Brooklyn hurt his parents.
Pwede rin.
Pwede rin gano'n na they're like, what the heck, kuya, mais ka na.
Oo.
Diba?
After
Minimessage
everything,
siya.
oo.
Sa Instagram daw pinapublic yung comments.
Oh my goodness.
Up until he was
Sobrang
blocked.
lala. Okay, moving on. Last two, na lang tayo. 2 story sets.
Sige, 2 story sets.
My family values public promotion and endorsements above all else.
Oh.
Brand Beckham comes first.
Oh my.
Family love, quote unquote, is decided by how much you post on social media or how quickly you drop everything to show up and post for a family photo op, even if it's at the expense of our own personal obligations. That's wild.
Okay.
We've gone out of our way for years to show up and support at every fashion show, every party, every press activity to
Ouch.
show our perfect family.
Oh my gosh.
But the one time my wife asked for my mom's support to save displaced dogs during the LA fires, it's so American. The narrative that my wife controls me is completely backwards. I have been controlled by my parents for most of my life. I grew up with overwhelming anxiety. For the first time in my life, since stepping away from my family, that anxiety has disappeared. I wake up every morning grateful for the life I chose and have found peace and relief. My wife and I do not want a life shaped by image, press, or manipulation. All we want is peace, privacy, and happiness for us and our future family.
Deactivate mo nga IG mo.
Peace pala.
Peace and privacy
Oh,
pa.
delete mo nga IG mo, Brooklyn.
Huwag nga kayo mag-show ever. Diyan ako natatawa minsan eh. Yung
Actually.
parang sila, Meghan and Harry.
I
We
know.
want privacy. We want
Pero
privacy.
Netflix signed us a deal. We're having a reality
Wanna
show.
book.
We have
I
a
want a
documentary.
movie.
Like,
Yeah, so parang
privacy my
mixed-
ass, dude.
Mixed din eh.
When they say,
Signals.
baka when they say they want privacy from the issue. Like, never talk about it again. But all the other, like, deals and exposure.
Okay lang.
I love.
Ayun nga. You can't have your cake and eat it too. I think,
Yeah.
okay, pero yung sinasabi niya na Beckham brand comes first. And I felt that. Na
Yeah.
parang shock. Some parents will really, it's always about the brand deals. It's always about public personalities, public perception.
Yeah.
And that sucks.
Yeah.
And you know whose parents I really look up to the most?
Who?
Sa ganyan, lalo na in Hollywood si Ethan Hawke tsaka si Uma Thurman, di ba they have a daughter?
Sige, ikaw muna. Pero meron akong weird, about Ethan Hawke and his daughter. Okay, pero go.
Okay, but I like the fact that bago ka Stacy, okay, I like the fact na they really wanted her to be a normal kid. They would go to school. Di ba yun yung sinasabi niya na my dad and my mom were at every soccer game. They were
Right.
at every bake sale. They were,
Oh, okay.
Diba?
In that
Yun
sense,
yun,
like
na-
her growing up.
her growing up, that she can honestly say na, I can't believe I have parents who are this big in the public eye, but will support me in a snap.
They really know their priorities as parents.
Yes. I'd
Diba?
say.
Pero okay, yung reason why I'm like icky with Ethan Hawke is I think he filmed his daughter doing a bed scene and he was the one holding the camera or directing it. That's so weird. So that's gross. Right?
Oh, that's kinda
gross.
strange.
That's gross.
Or maybe, I don't know, parang
No, that's
as an-
gross. Period. That's gross. Nope, you're not gonna tell me na it's art. They're doing it. No, fuck that. That's gross.
Yeah, it's gross.
That's weird. Anyway, since we're talking about parents we admire, I also really like the way Marian dropped her entire career
Oo
to
nga.
raise her children. Like, there's nothing wrong
Si Marimar.
if you really have to work to raise your kids, pero iba-ibang level of commitment yon as a mom, ha?
Yeah. And she loved it. Sila ni Mariel, they would
Oo.
like go, si Mariel Padilla nga din daw would drop her kids every day and pick them
Yeah,
up.
they really embraced the role, and that's a beautiful thing.
Lately, I've been studying the sociology of wifehood and marriage.
Yes, bakit?
Gusto ko lang, bakit?
Wifey ka, wifey. Future
Just preparing
wifey.
for the role. Okay?
Right, right.
I'm just reading up and absorbing all I can.
Okay.
Because I want to be a wife.
Oh, why not? Maganda yan. Aralin mo na.
Aralin ka na.
That's very geeky of you. But also very smart of you.
What a dork.
Sige, push mo yan. Pagdadasal natin yan, ipagpa-fasting natin yan.
Okay, anyway.
Gusto ko siya maging brother-in-law, in fairness. Approved yan sa akin.
So cute!
Enough! Okay, tuloy mo na.
Sorry. What was I saying? Yeah. So sinasabi doon na women have a decline in fulfillment once they reach 30s. If you're a career woman with no family and kids, the fulfillment just drops.
Right.
And depression,
Goes up.
mas mataas yung risk mo for loneliness, for depression,
Right.
for all of these other, negative mental issues. And syempre, for some people, they're gonna be like, that's a whatever, parang sobrang stupid ng study na yan. But look around you.
Yeah.
I mean, just in my circles alone, I hear more career women I catch myself saying it too, ayoko na magtrabaho. I just wanna build something with someone. raise a family,
Yeah.
have some kids,
Yeah.
have a condo, have a car, be fed,
Yeah, have the perfect
a wined
wardrobe.
and dined,
Yes.
have jewelry,
I
naging
know.
gold digger. Diba? It's a real desire for women eh. But the narrative now is changing. And we are being taught to care more about our careers than to care about our legacy.
Legacy eh.
Legacy. Children,
And
legacy mo
purpose.
yan.
Oo.
Oo, totoo.
You
Alam mo,
know, okay, I get other people na talagang either they have a physiological or biological thing na hindi talaga sila magkaanak or something like that, or hindi lang talaga din nila out of their own traumatic experience
Oo.
with their parents.
Gets.
Takot na takot sila to be parents. I totally understand that. Pero, yun nga, it goes back to purpose. Like, it's not necessarily giving birth to offsprings. Hindi lang yun yung purpose mo. Gets mo? But as long as you're living your purpose, not just your career ha, because you can have a career and it's not your purpose.
oo.
'Di ba? So purpose talaga yung
All-purpose cream. Purpose here, purpose there. Purpose everywhere. Wala ako naintindihan, pero
yung sinasabi ko lang is,
purpose.
ayun.
Ang sinasabi lang niya ay,
Hindi, okay, let me, I really wanna nail this. Ang sinasabi ko lang is,
kaya mo yan,
hindi necessarily na giving birth yung purpose mo.
na isang babae.
Oo.
Oo. Hindi ko,
Pwede
wala naman
namang
nagsabi
iba.
nun eh.
Pero ang sinasabi ko lang din is, hindi lang yung career mo, yung purpose mo.
Okay. Check! Okay.
Tuloy mo na. Okay.
Yeah, so I think we're at time in history, at a point in history where the push is really to hate the family unit. That you don't want to have one, that you will be emancipated from your own. Yun talagang, it's all about
Independence.
independence.
And totally forgetting the village where you came from.
Diba?
Medyo.
Yun eh.
Okay, speaking as someone who has her own mother wounds.
Mais ka. O, sige.
Oh, ayan. Wala pa nga eh. All I have to say is, yes, it's okay to like acknowledge the bad. Diba? Doon ka talaga maa-aware eh. Magiging aware. Maa-aware. Nabobobo na ako. Doon ka talaga magiging aware.
Kaka-purpose mo yun.
But also, I think, just always make room for possible reconciliation.
Oo. Yeah.
Wag no yung tulad ng sinabi niya na I do not want to be reconciled. Talagang hard block na eh. Na
Oo.
parang no, tapos na. Parang
This is the life I choose. This is the life
to
I
me,
live. Yeah.
I really can't speak for all the other kids who are hurting from their parents' own doing.
Oo.
But, if you have to be distant, but don't. Parang, wag yung forever kind of thing na parang, ang dami pa kasi pwede mangyari in time.
Oo.
Things can change. They can realize stuff. Sabi nga ni Kylie Jenner, it's a year for realizing stuff.
Yeah.
And they might realize stuff, So leave room for realizing stuff. I mean, just give them grace. Gets mo ba? Sabihin mo, nag-iintindihan mo, you're the only one who gets
Kumain
me.
ka ba ng breakfast today?
2 itlog.
Oh, yeah. I see. Yung itlog ba na kinain mo bugok?
Gago.
Maalat.
Maalat-alat.
Mabot at. Sumobra. Yeah, I mean, I get
Pero
it.
do you get it?
I get it.
Okay,
Tama
sige.
naman, diba? I mean, okay, just biblically, let's go back. The Bible says, parents, do not exasperate your children.
Oo nga eh. And kids,
Diba? But
honor your parents.
Children, honor your father and your mother. So, hindi siya one way. Both have these
Their own accountabilities.
instructions from the Lord to pursue and to be accountable for. Diba? But again, healing takes time. I mean, sa atin din naman, when we were processing our own parental wounds, may time talaga na magagalit ka. You have to go through it eh.
Yes. Sabi nga ni James Deacon ba nagsabi nito sa Legend Daddy?
Oh.
Parang once you know the truth about your parents,
You idolize
when
them
you're a
first.
child,
You idolize them.
When
you're
you're
a
an adult
teen,
or a teen,
you vilify them.
or demonize them.
Demonize them.
But then, as you mature and grow older, you humanize them.
Oo, diba? Kasi ngayon, ang lente ko, the way I view my parents, not your parents, our parents, is that's the best they know. That's all they...
It's an issue of
yun na yun.
capacity, eh.
Capacity.
Capabilities
it's an
and
issue
capacity.
of traumas, unprocessed traumas,
Right.
resources.
From their own parent.
We are designed to be part of a family.
Of a community.
Of a community, diba? For some people, it's unfortunate, but grace abounds. You can have family among strangers.
Yeah. Right.
Pwede yun.
Your friends, your trusted friends.
Yeah, other people, other children, especially those who are orphaned, they get to be chosen as part of hopefully a healthier family dynamic,
Right.
diba? But, dadaan at dadaan ka talaga dun. Pero, dapat matumbok mo. Matumbok. Gusto ko yung word na yun.
Tumbukin mo.
Ang cute ang tumbok.
Alin ang matumbok? Alin ang matumbok?
Matumbok yung point mo.
Matumbok. Tumbukin mo na kasi sis. Kanina ka pa tumbok ng tumbok. Tutumbukin na kita.
Okay, dadaanan mo man yung galit at sakit na yon. Pero, dapat sa dulo, matumbok mo na makapagpatawad ka ng magulang. Kasi,
Yeah.
I believe na when we are on our deathbeds, we
Right.
will look back at our relationships,
Yeah.
not our house, not our cars, not our jewelries, not our clothes. We will always go back to the people we lived with.
Right.
And most of the regret, if not all, will come from relational strain.
Right.
I've been reading on this chaplain I know. He created a collection of what people really pray for as they
their
breathe
deathbed.
their last breaths. And it's really parents and children. Yun. Top 2.
Right.
Yun talaga yung ache ng soul nila na sana
Right.
inayos ko. Sana nagpatawad ako.
And when we talk about that kind of forgiveness, this is what I'm learning now, na forgiveness, as cliche as this sounds, it's really a choice.
And it's for you.
And it's for you, but also it's a command too, right? Like
Yeah.
to forgive. Pero yun yung parang no matter how righteous you are in your anger, no matter how valid you are for being angry, no matter how right you are and wrong the other person is who hurt you, parang as long as you're holding on to that pain and that anger,
Yeah.
no matter how right you are, sige na, ikaw na yung tama. Tamang-tama na maramdaman mo lahat yan dahil talagang minaltrato ka at ginago ka ng todo-todo. Sandali. Sorry.
Sige.
At the end of the day kasi, ikaw talaga yung nasasaktan.
Oo, di ba
So
sabi nga
let's be
nila,
free.
unforgiveness is a poison that you drink and you suffer from. Ikaw talaga eh.
Yeah.
Diba? And
it
forgiveness doesn't mean
na magiging close kayo ulit or like be, happy,
trust
happy.
has to be repaired.
And trust has to be earned. Grabe to. So much, like,
Yung cases. This is why it's so important to choose the person you'll marry.
oh yeah, yan din. Super,
You're gonna
like,
marry
don't
into
be
a
with
family.
Yeah. And ito pa yung natutunan ko kasi parang I heard this advice, I forget where. Pero parang if ikaw yung reason every time nag-aaway or parang if you're in the middle, as kunwari the girlfriend, tas yung boyfriend mo and the family nag-aaway, tas andun ka sa gitna ng pag-aaway na yon na you're driving a bigger distance between the boyfriend and
the
his
family.
family. Alam mo, pag kayong dalawa yung nagka-problema and the boyfriend comes to his family for comfort, guess what they're gonna tell their son?
Oo.
Diba? Na, iwan mo yan! Iwan mo rin yan!
Oo.
Diba? Parang so, it's really important to have that. It doesn't have to be healthy and close, no? That's very unrealistic. But at least have that respect and pagiging civil with each other. And know when to keep things contained in the household or kung saan man yung drama where it lies. Diba? Yun din parang people are so quick to broadcast stuff online, which adds to the strain, adds to the stress, adds to the, now everyone, parang pinoblicize nyo
Yeah.
Now, people will think na ang dami na makikisawsaw, ang dami na makikiside, na hindi mo rin naman alam yung intentions nila of siding with what side. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It becomes this whole show for people to just, watch and
Talk about.
Talk
like
about.
what we're doing right now.
Ikaw kasi Brooklyn eh.
Oo nga Brooklyn
Story-story
kasi.
ka pa eh.
Oo.
Yun tuloy, yun yung topic namin.
And
Ikaw
parang,
ang topic
alam mo,
namin.
parang I think mayroon din akong nabasang information na, or parang if they wanna talk the family, you go through the lawyer. So,
wow.
that's super sad. Wrapping up, if Brooklyn is truthful in everything he's saying, di ba? Parang, wow, that is so painful.
And that's so brave of him. To
Yeah.
stand up for himself, to choose his wife, and
Right.
to leave and cleave.
With mom's money.
with mom and dad's money.
But, diba, if he's just being a brat, diba, and parang dahil
I want my
share,
inheritance.
and leave, diba, and parang just give me the money and cut off na kayo. Medyo ano din, diba? Sobrang
grabe.
coops
We
din
really
yun.
don't know.
Really don't know. So, yun lang. Let's see how this unravels. But this is not something that I will wish for even on my worst enemy, you know?
Yeah.
It's really sad.
That's right.
And we hope for reconciliation and, you know,
Family
forgiveness
peace, 2026.
to everyone going through this. So,
Yeah.
that is it for today's episode.
Keep it raw and real. Saan ba ka nakatingin?
Yes! Woo!